guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see in the title, we're gonna be making some healthy apple crisp. So the best thing about this recipe is it's only 6 ingredients, which is awesome because it's super easy to make. You don't need to put in a lot of ingredients. You probably have everything in your kitchen already. Got all the ingredients ready. We're about to get started in just a second, but I did want to tell you guys real quick that I am going to be doing another giveaway for 400 subscribers. Yay! So if you're already subscribed to my channel, thank you guys so much. All the support means everything to me. And if you're not subscribed yet, what are you doing? Subscribe now. Down below, hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so you can get notifications when I post new videos. Okay, so in honor of 400 subscribers, I'm gonna be giving away 1UP Nutrition protein powder. So I love 1UP Nutrition's products. 2.5 weeks ago, I entered their new Spring Transformation Challenge. It's an 8-week challenge. It includes free meal plans, free workout plans for home or gym, and a whole bunch of information and support groups as well, which is really awesome. So I've been participating in that, and I'm hoping to do a before and after video for you guys as soon as the 8 weeks is up. But right now, like I said, we're right in the middle of it, so there's no better time than now to, you know, gift you guys with some protein powder from one of my favorite nutrition companies. So like I said, it's gonna be any protein powder of your choice. To enter to win, just like my last giveaway, just head over to my Instagram. It is at Keto Meatball. I'll put it right here. It'll be in the description box as well. Head over there to find out all of the info on how to enter. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna start by preheating our oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and you can go ahead and grease a small baking dish with, you know, spray or butter or whatever you'd like. After you've preheated the oven, we're gonna go ahead and, like I said, get our bowl ready. Now we're going to put 1 cup of rolled oats, or 1 cup of old-fashioned or steel-cut oats into the bowl. Just like magic. Okay, so 1 cup of oats, and we're gonna do a cup of almond flour. So we're also gonna do about half a cup of almond flour to start. Leave the other half in here. We're gonna add in cinnamon. So I recommend, you know, maybe like 1 teaspoon, or that might be a tablespoon. That's fine, we'll work with that. Then we're gonna just add in a little bit of Himalayan salt. Then we're going to do 6 tablespoons of maple syrup. I'm going to be using this sugar-free Maple Grove Farms. It's also low-calorie maple flavor syrup. Okay, perfect. I'm going to get my 6 tablespoons of butter and melt it in the microwave, and then we'll add it to the mixture. Okay, we're gonna add it in, and now we're going to stir everything up. Nice in there. We're just gonna add a little bit more almond flour. It smells so good, oh my gosh. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna set this aside in the fridge just to kind of cool, and it should get more crumbly, and then we can add it onto our apples when we put them in the oven. So we've got our pan ready to go. Set this off to the side real quick. Got our apple, and I'm using Autumn Glory apples. I got them at Sam's Club. They're supposed to have like hints of cinnamon and caramel. I really don't want to know how they do that, but we're just gonna go with it. Okay, then I have my amazing apple slicer. I love these things. I could not live without them because it makes it so easy. So this looks like this. So we'll grab our pan, just kind of lay them out in here. No specific way. Okay. And then we'll just repeat this process till we're done. Okay, we got them in the pan, all ready to go. So I'm gonna do an extra little sprinkle of cinnamon on here and just a drizzle of honey. So I hate having stuff on my hands, but this is the best way to do this part. So you're just going to sprinkle or try and sprinkle this across the apples. I'm gonna put this in the oven for about 35 minutes. You can bake it for up to 45. The goal is to just have your apples nice and soft and for the crisp part to be golden brown. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in there and I'll see you guys when it's done. Guys, that's all done. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. I can't wait to eat this, and I have some low calorie ice cream to put on it. You can also use some low sugar or no sugar ice cream, and it's gonna be so amazing. I'm literally gonna dig into this right now, and when Joseph gets home from work, he's gonna be so excited. Oh my gosh. Well, that's all, folks. Okay guys, so now you know what time it is. It's time to go for now. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Of course, if you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, especially if you want to enter the giveaway. So the details for the giveaway and everything are gonna be on my Instagram. Like I said, I'll make a post very shortly, so it will be on there when I upload this video. And thanks again so much, guys. I will see you next time. Bye.